Alright, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel. This is Kushal GT and today we are unboxing this. This is the Ford Mustang Boss 302 2012 version from Majorette, and this comes under the street cars. Without any further ado, let's unbox this. If you haven't already checked out the 4C Spider video from Majorette, do check it out. Oh wow, that's a deep cut. I don't know why does this car reminds me of the Camaro Bumblebee. Is it just me or is there anyone else? Let me know in the comment section. And by that, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. It's free for you and it means a lot to me and it helps my channel grow. So yeah, now this is out of the blister. Wow, that's some serious yellow color. Looks very nice. You can see on the side we have a embossed and grooved door handle detail. We have the rear view mirrors. We have that famous Boss 302 emblem on the fenders with the line going all the way back. Right. Okay. Coming to the front, we have that muscular hood and the front grille. We have plastic inserts for the headlamps. We have a Ford logo on the grille. We also have headlamp embossings on the grille, top grille. Very nice. We have the mesh design on the grille. Coming to the side, we have the same Boss 302 emblem and the door handles. We have the fuel cap on the back. Speaking of which, this is amazingly detailed at the rear as well. We have the signature Mustang tail lamps with that Mustang logo and the license plate embossing. We also do have the dual exhaust at the rear. Now coming to the base of this car, it says Majorette, and this is the scale of 1:61, and it says Ford Mustang Boss. Coming to the rear end of the base, you can see some good details here, and this does have suspension, no opening parts because this is from the basics of Majorette. So let's do a quick roll test. Yeah, this is the first ever Majorette car that I have. It has a bumpy ride. I don't know why. Usually Majorettes have good rolling on their castings, but yeah, I can give one exception. Alright, enough of this casting. Now let's talk about this car. So this is the 2012 Ford Mustang, a high performance track focused version of the Mustang GT. Now it features a 5-liter V8 engine with 444 horsepower, significantly more than that of the GT, along with more aggressive suspension and aerodynamic enhancements. These changes make it faster and more capable on the track, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour in the time of around 4.4 seconds, and that's crazy. So it has a V8 engine, it has a great amount of horsepower, right? And it comes with a 6-speed manual. That's crazy. Also, this particular car, the Mustang 302 Boss 2012, had a tuned exhaust, a unique exhaust system that sounds aggressive and improves performance. That's a cherry on the cake. And with that, we have covered this whole Majorette Boss. Oh, did I say Majorette Boss? The Mustang Boss by Majorette. And we have wiper details that I missed out here. We have tinted glass that is in black. So cool, so gorgeous. irrespective of how it rolls, this casting is made like a tank. It looks so good, it feels really solid to hold, and overall the shoulder lines, the details, and the intricate details that have gone behind making this casting is really amazing. This is for sure one of the best Mustangs that I have, one of the best. The front stance that it has is such devilish and such intimidating that it really screams that it is a Mustang. And the small details that have gone on the wheels of this one, that it looks like there are threads on the wheels, and that gives this car a more realistic feel. That boss badging is not just the name, but this really is the boss. I really love this casting. I am 100% sure that it is just my casting that is not rolling well, so you don't have to worry about that. And again, once again, a reminder, if you haven't already checked out the 4C Spider video, check it out. It's on my channel. Yes, this was the Ford Mustang Boss. Let me know what you think about this car in the comment section below. Hit that like button and share it with your friends, and do subscribe. Until then, do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting, stay driven. I'll see you guys in the next one.